Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We welcome you to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. CBSE, Class 5, English. Today you are going to learn a poem. The name of the poem is Koel, written by Meera Joshi from Raintree English Literature Reader. About the poet Meera Joshi, she is an Indian poet. In this poem, she imagines what the Koel may be saying. The poem describes the long summer days, what we can see and hear around us through some lovely images. In this video, you can see the bird Koel. Let us read and enjoy the poem first. When wisps of white sail across the sky, when the breeze blows warm and the days grow long, from somewhere in the distance you can hear my song. Coo, coo, coo. When mangoes ripen in the dark green trees, and hovering around are busy, buzzy bees. Right over the wall, you can hear my call, coo, coo, coo. When plump wild figs go squish under your feet, and juicy purple jamuns are munched by parakeets, from somewhere up high, you can hear my tuneful cry, coo, coo, coo. When from dawn to dusk you must indoors stay, when all else is quiet, in the middle of the day, you can hear me sing, sweetly caroling, coo, coo, coo. Written by Meera Joshi. Let us see the line-by-line explanation of the poem. Stanza 1. When wisps of white sail across the sky. Wisps means small, thin bits. The Koel, as speaker in the poem, says that when small, thin bits of white clouds passes across the sky, when the breeze blows warm and the days grow long. When the warm breeze blows during the long days of summer. Now in this stanza, let us see the poetic device used by the poet. Alliteration is the poetic device used here. What is alliteration? Alliteration means repetition of same letter in the same line in the beginning of the word. Now, in the first line, W in wisps and W in white are alliteration. In the third line, B in breeze and B in blows are alliteration. From somewhere in the distance, you can hear my song, coo, coo, coo. We can hear the song of the Koel from far off. The poetic device used here is onomatopoeia. Here, coo is onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia means the use of words containing sounds similar to the noises they describe. How the poet describes the summer here? The poet describes the summer as days are long and warm and there are white clouds in the sky. Stanza 2. When mangoes ripen in the dark green trees. It is the summer season and the mangoes are ripen among the green trees. And hovering around are busy, buzzy bees. Hovering means staying up in the air without moving. The bees are staying up in the air without moving, buzz about busily making honey. The poetic device used here in the fourth line is alliteration. B in busy, B in buzzy and B in bees or alliteration. Buzzy is onomatopoeia. Right over the wall, you can hear my call. Coo, coo, coo. Just behind the wall, we can hear the voice of the Koel. Stanza 3. When plump wild figs go squish under your feet. Plump means large and round. Figs means sweet fruit with many seeds in it. When large and round shaped sweet fig fruits smash under our feet and juicy purple jamuns are munched by parakeets. Jamuns means plums. Parakeets means a kind of parrot. And purple plums, which contains lot of juice, are bitten noisily by parrots. From somewhere up high, you can hear my tuneful cry, coo, coo, coo. Tuneful means nice to listen to. From far off distance, we can hear the voice of the Koel, which is very nice to listen. Coo again is onomatopoeia. Stanza 4. When from dawn to dusk, you must indoors stay. Dusk means the time when the sun sets and it begins to get dark. When from the early morning to the time when the sun sets and it begins to get dark, we must stay inside our house. Here the poet uses alliteration in the first line. Dawn, D, again dusk, D, or alliteration. When all else is quiet in the middle of the day, when everything is very calm in the afternoon, you can hear me sing sweetly caroling. Coo, coo, coo. Caroling means singing sweetly and happily. We can hear the song of the Koel singing sweetly and happily. In all the 4 stanzas, the poet describes various things. In stanza 1, the poet describes about the sky. In stanza 2, the poet describes about the land. And in stanza 3, the poet describes about the ripening of fruits. And in stanza 4, the effect of summer on people, while the other 3 is about its effect on nature. Now let us see the rhyming words used by the poet. In stanza 1, and the days grow long, you can hear my song. In these 2 lines, the word long rhymes with song. In stanza 2, In the dark green trees are busy, buzzy bees. In these two lines, the word trees rhymes with bees. Right over the wall, you can hear my call. In these two lines, the word wall rhymes with call. In stanza 3, go squish under your feet are munched by parakeets. In these two lines, the word feet rhymes with parakeets. From somewhere up high, you can hear my tuneful cry. In these two lines, the word high rhymes with cry. In stanza 4, you must indoors stay in the middle of the day. In these two lines, the word stay rhymes with day. Hope you have enjoyed the poem, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.